Welcome to RP and AI Masterclass. In this class, you are going to learn what is chatbot and especially what is AI powered chatbot. So let's get started. So the agenda of this learning program is we'll try to understand from the data point why chatbot is pretty relevant in today's context. What are the different chatbot platforms? What are the different opportunity? And quickly we'll understand a couple of or the few use cases. So let's get started and try to understand in the digital world how the communication is changing at the very rapid pace with the advent of artificial intelligence. For many years, we completely dependent on the human to human communication or the human to telephone communication, and this was the one of the dominant way of communication. With the advent of internet, email, social media has become the more preferred choice for the business communication, and then the website has taken as one of the most preferred choice for form filling, interaction, and the communication between the human and the business. But with the advent of artificial intelligence and chatbot, now the paradigm shift is happening from human to human communication to human to machine communication to finally machine to machine communication. So let's understand how the human to machine or machine to machine communication is happening. So let's understand by a data. By 2018, State of Chatbot reports that is been jointly conducted by Drift Audience, Salesforce, and Mike Clever. They asked that how have you communicated with the business in the past 12 months? 60% of the people said telephone and the email. 54% of the people said website, and 39% of the people said face to face. However, the chatbot percentage is just 15%. So does this mean with the high preference and the high number of telephone and email, chatbot is not going to increase, or it's not going to become the preferred choice? Let's understand by the further data. But let me tell you, in the digital age where customer experience becomes the number one choice, what 34% of the people said the sites are very hard to navigate. However, 31% of the people said cannot get answer to simple question, and 28% of the people said the basic details about a business are hard to find. So the key takeaway here, that in the business age where the customer experience become the number one preferred choice for the companies and a single click away becomes the new norm. Nowadays the traditional way of communicating with the business is not going to fly, and it's not going to build a digital agility into the organization. So what is the new norm? Let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, the chatbot will fundamentally going to revolutionize the computing, and that's what the Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella says. At the same time, we also see a complete paradigm shift the way we communicate to the business, the way we communicate to our beloved one. And Siri and Alexa is the classical example where that sits in our hand and sits in our home. So, just to give you a data point, uh, it's a really the future or it's reality. I would say it's the reality. 80% of the business will have chatbot by 2020. 90% of the customer interaction will be automated by chatbot by 2022. 300K chatbots are already available in Facebook messengers, and 27% of the adults US clients are ready to buy something from a chatbot. That is being said by Drip. So it's not the future. Of course it's a future, but let me tell you that it's not buzzword, it's already reality. It's happening, and we have to reimagine how may we automate or we can deploy the chatbot in order to answer the repetitive the frequent asked the questions by the customer. So fundamental question, though we know what is chatbot, it's a very simple question that we know that it's a computer program designed to simulate conversation with the human users via text or the voice. And let me tell you, today the text conversation is of course that is happening, but voice is becoming a new norm in order to directly interact. And Siri, Alexa and Cortana is the classical example. But more than that, let's understand here the technology behind the chatbot is NLP, and down the line when we as a human interact with chatbot, it use NLU, natural language understanding, to understand the context. At the same time, when the chatbot respond back to human, the technology is NLG, that is natural language generation. I'll not focus much on this one, but I wanted to tell you, in case you wanted to get started, IBM Watson, Microsoft Bot Platform, Dialogflow, Amazon Lax, Rasha, and Core.ai. These are the most popular platforms on this planet. However, in our class, we are going to focus on Dialogflow. Using Dialogflow, we are going to build the chatbot and deploy on the Facebook as well as the different other platforms. However, a catch here that these are the proprietary framework, but however, Rasha. Rasa is open source code where you can build and deploy your chatbot. This will not cost you anything because it's all community edition is available. In fact, that we can use into our commercial activity. How it looks like when this deployed into the production, let me tell you. The front end where we can integrate our chatbot either on Slack, on Skype, on on Facebook, or maybe on any website or any social media where we can integrate directly. However, we can build our chatbot using Dialogflow, Microsoft Bot Platform, Rasha, or in fact using Heroku, or there are many other platforms from where we can build IBM Watson. And then it has pretty much capability to integrate with enterprise applications like SAP, Salesforce, ServiceNow, or your database. So imagine a situation where you wanted to integrate your chatbot with SAP to answer a simple question: what is the status of purchase order, or what is the status of my invoice. It's pretty much applicable, and it's pretty simple job because the Dialogflow, Microsoft Bot Platform, it's all made possible without writing single line of code. You can do that. So let's quickly understand what are the different voice platform available. Siri, Google Assistant, Cortana, and Alexa. However, Google Assistant, Alexa, as well as Cortana is available for developer platform where you can, if you want, you can integrate and you can get started, and it will pretty much simulate your voice, and it has the capability to integrate with enterprise landscape. Let's understand some of the use cases at the very high level. In the later slide, we'll do deep dive. Customer care. So normal inquiries, any kind of request, that's a good use case to get it into customer care. HR, uh, customer employee onboarding, income tax bot, the bills and reimbursement bot, general queries between HR and the employee, recruitment like the general query or the repetitive query to the recruiter, the screening. Those are the things very common into HR and recruitment. In enterprise application, you can imagine integrating with your SAP, your Salesforce, your Jira, with your any kind of application that exists into your system of record or system of innovation. You can integrate with the chatbot. And last but not the least, retail is very powerful area where we can deploy chatbot for many activity like inquiry or the goods return or even the purchasing or the booking. And travel is also another aviation area where we can integrate the chatbot. And of course, sales and travel, as I told you, this is very prominent use cases we can use over there. Last but not the least, again, what are the different areas? Where we can seize the opportunity, we can deploy the chatbot. So I'll just tell you three rest other you can read. Getting a quick answer in emergency, resolving a complaint or problem, getting detailed answer or explanation, finding a human customer service assistant, paying a bill, making a reservation, buying a price item. So, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear colleague, What I'm trying to make a point by the data point, though today telephone, email, or the other conversation channels are the dominant way of communicating is the business, but chatbot, especially the AI powered chatbot using the voice based chatbot, is entirely changing the paradigm, and the way we communicate entirely it will change. It's changing, and this is the one of the area where we can seize the opportunity. And next slide we'll see what are the different use cases into the industry. Thank you very much.